Okay, VEVOR or VEVOR, however you want to pronounce it. A lot of people say VEVOR, I don't know. Sent me something else to review. I appreciate it, thank you very much. I did not pay for this. They sent it to me. So, what is it? Well, let's turn the camera around and get into it. Okay, what is this thing? It don't say anything up there. I don't know why I don't have their name on it. Nothing there, nothing there. Nothing there. What's going on here? And nothing on the bottom. Huh. Well, let's just open it up and see what it is. How about that? Nice case. And boom, there you go. That's what it is. Some extra brushes. Can you see what it is? Huh? That's kind of weird. Box opens this way and the tool's sitting in the box upside down. I guess so when you're carrying it, it's up like this. Anyway. Anybody guess what that is? Well, if you said plunge router, you'd be right. So let's get everything open and get into it. Show you a little bit better. Okay, as you can see, I got everything in the packages. This is what all it came with. Now it did, actually this one was installed on it. This is a 1/2 inch collet. I had to put a 1/4 inch collet on it. So it'll use 1/2 inch or 1/4. That's awesome. Trim guide, and that's a straight guide. They both go on here, and then this slides into your router. Anyway, let's try to use this thing. See how it works. Okay, I got a piece of wood set up right here. I've already tried it a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, there's that bit. I guess you can see that. That's what it does. So let's try a plunge bit. Alright, got the plunge router bit in there. Got it set. We're gonna plunge a little bit deeper than that, so let's try it. Now, this board's got a split going all the way down the center of it, so I got to come over to this edge. Anyway, that really don't matter. I'm just showing you. Okay. Right there's the round over bit. And the plunge bit. It's not really all that straight because I didn't have the straight edge thing on it. Whatever. I wasn't trying to show you how to operate a router. I was just trying to show you how it works. Works pretty good. And there's that split that I was talking about, so whatever. Okay, there's the model number 5120 looks like. It's 12,000 RPMs to 23,000 adjustable. Some people like to see that kind of stuff. Just turn it over. Here's this. Now obviously your trigger is on the right side. You push this in and pull the trigger. I guess you've seen that. And you want to work on your wood, you want to work from the left to the right. The bit turns clockwise, so you would think it would be easier to come this way, but it won't do a good cut that way. You got to go that way. Anyway, like I said, this is not just to show you how to use a router. You see I had it turned down some. This is to show you this router, and it's pretty awesome. I wasn't expecting it to be this big and this heavy duty. This thing is awesome. I would definitely buy one of these if I was in the market to buying a router. This is awesome. Well, that's my thoughts on this VEVOR plunge router. It's pretty awesome. As far as how it works great. I thank you very much, VEVOR, for sending me this. And like I said, I didn't pay for it. They sent it to me to review, and it's awesome. I like it. We'll see how it holds up, and if I have any problems with it, like always, I'll let you know in the description, and if it's really bad, I'll do another video on it. That's all I got for this video. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.